Hello, friends, and welcome back to my channel. And in this video, we're going about protection of most things who are greater than the fifth grade. Think watch this video and it just so that complete all the videos in this video, web development. So, can students web pages? Okay? Yes, you students can open web page and very understand what this in this complete of the videos will part by part or how you will be able to web. Okay, so now let's get first started with the topic. What is a web page? A web page or a web page is a hypertext document is provided by a web to the user in a web browser. So web page means is actually a page that is the user in a web browser. Okay. So now a website typically consists of many web pages together that are linked together. So you know that page means. So now you can take an example of a book. A book has so many pages in it. Each page is a referring to a web page. So a web page is not a book, but it is created in your web browser. So what is a web browser? You guys might be knowing that this is from Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, etc. are the web browsers. Okay, so a page that you see in a web browser, let's be a web page. So when you find a page, either a book or a web page, you will get a website. So a website consists of more than one web page in it. Okay. So now let's see what is a website. A website is a collection of web pages and related content that is identified by a common domain name. So what is a domain name? You might have right like www.google.com, right? So that is the domain name, okay? And published on at least one of the web servers. The example is Wikipedia, okay? Know that it has got so many pages, right? Wikipedia.com bar Earth, it has a page. Bar Sun, it is another page, right? So each of the pages that are the collection of the web pages are said to be a website, but they have to be posted somewhere, right? Because you have to see them in your browser. So for that, we are using World Wide Web. So whatever web create, you are going to post them in here in the www World Wide Web. It's commonly known as web is an information system where the document other web resources are identified by URLs. Or what do you mean by URL? Is a uniform resource locator. Okay, which means it's like I told you HTTP www.google.com. It is the URL for your web page, right? If you go to that link, you will be able to get a web page. Okay, so you, as part of being students, we are going to use a platform called 4.org weblab. Okay, using this platform, we are going to create web pages, and you, as students, you can host them in 4.org platform itself. Okay, so at the end of this, I'll be showing you how you will be able to create a, sign up page in the code.org. Okay, and how you will be able to get the web lab. All the details will be given to you at the end of this video. Okay, you can follow this as I log in and then you also will be able to get the web lab. Okay, from the next will be made web lab web pages. Okay, so here we are going to use two of the programming languages to create the web page. One is HTML. Okay, so HTML full form is hypermark language for HTML. This and markup language for document designed to be displayed in a web browser. Okay, so here using this HTML, you are going to give the content of all the contents that you use for the web page is given to the HTML. Okay, we'll be studying what how you can write the HTML program in the next coming sessions. Okay, next is the CSS. CSS means it is the cascading style. So using the HTML to give complete document for the complete content that you want to extract for your right, then that will be CSS. Okay. So now let's see how you can create a account in weblab and how you use the weblab. Okay, it's actually a interactive weblab also. Okay, I'll be showing you right here. You can see a screen with Google, right? What you have to type is type code.org, okay, and press the enter key. So then you will be able to get a screen like this. Okay. So here they are asking you to select a language. So I hope everyone knows English so that we are going to choose the language for English. Whichever is the language that you want, you definitely choose that. Okay, no problem. And let's click submit. Okay. After that, what you have to do is you have to go to create and then you have to create an account here. Okay, for that, let's give sign in and then you have to create a free. Okay, so now this I'm going to give the coding duty. Okay, at gmail.com and the password, whichever is the one you want, you can give a password as well. Okay, so after you give that, just give sign. So now here you give that you are a student and the display name I'll give that coding duty. Okay, so always I'll be giving my age to be 15. Okay, and let's give it. Okay, so whichever is the one you can give, but don't say 7 or 8, then you won't be able to get the web lab. Okay, so now let's start with the this. Now what you have to do, you have to now click here view list. Okay, inside which you have to click on the web. Here beyond blocks I've got three of them. One is the app lab, then comes the web. Okay, just click on the web lab and then you will be able to get a complete project. Okay, so now here application to create the web pages. Okay, here I'm going to tell you what are other things and it will be an introduction. Okay, so here on the left hand side you can see that there is something called an HTML file which has been opened here. Okay, so this is your HTML file. So here you can give like hello world. Okay, so what all are these tags and all tomorrow in the session we'll be studying. Okay, so now I just gave inside the body. So here you can see this is the body and this is bar body. Okay, so what you have to do inside which you can give a hello world as the heading. Okay, this is just a demo. Okay, so you can add whatever content you give here, you will be able to see on your right end screen, which means this is your web page screen. Okay, this is the previewer screen. This is your coding screen. The middle one is the coding screen. And the left end is to manage the files. Okay, so I hope it was clear. The left end is the file. So in a web page, there will be a HTML file and a CSS file. But once when you're creating a website, which means there will be more than one page, right? Then here on this side, file side, you will have more than one page. Okay, and this is your coding screen. If you click on style here, you can see that there is a style. Okay, just try to make a change in this white. Okay, what you can do, just backspace it and try to give black. So now what you can see that the your web page is black in color, right? Got it? Okay, now let's change it to yellow. And just for demonstration or just to see, okay, as this is an introduction class, we won't be creating any web pages in this session. From the next session onwards only we'll be able to create. Okay, so here you can see this is a yellow web page, right? And this is the styling part where you have to give all your styling components, and this is your documentation part. Okay, if you want to add more HTML pages, then here the first button is to click on add HTML. Okay, the next one is to add the CSS file. If you need more than one files that is given to you, then only you have to do all of them. Okay, the next one is to add image. So in an HTML or in a web page, there will be more images, right? So how many ever images you want to add, then you can add using this add image. Okay, this is all the version history which you no need to use right now. Okay, this is the inspector page. So if you want to just click here and then it will show you where is the code. Okay, directly click on the inspector and click on the element that you want. Then you will be able to see which code is used. This is for refreshing and saving. Okay, so again there is one more bar for you to get familiarized. So this is your untitled project. Okay, so if you want to rename it, what you have to do, you can just click on rename and just give it a name. So now let's give it to be project. Okay, and just click on save. So now your project name is project. Okay, now if you want to share it with your friends or family, or if you wanted to see, you want to see your web page, right? So what you can do, just click on this share and then you can directly copy this link and then paste it in a new web page. Okay, then you will be able to see your web page being displayed. Okay, here I don't know why that D is not there. Let's again try with the D and just okay. So that was an error with the web page, right? So now here you can see that hello world in display. Okay, got it? This is how you can even share it with your friends and family, your web page. Okay, so for that, this is the link from where any person from a web browser can access your web page. Okay, so I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you will get the notifications if I post more videos. Okay, bye students, and please do let me know a feedback about this video in my comment box. Bye bye.